If you are a beginner to gardening or you love having fun gardening, welcome. This channel is all about gardening, sharing tips and knowledge while having fun with it. And so today I'm going to share with you a new gardening soil that I'm using, which is Miracle-Gro Organic Choice, which says it can only be put in ground or in ground soil. But I'm testing it to see if we can use it in pots. So I'm going to share with you what it looks like, what the gardening soil looks like, and I'm going to show you how to plant pepper or herbs with it. And today we are going to plant Hungarian semi-hot stuffing hot pepper, and that's what we are going to plant today. And let's dive right in and let's just start. All right, so this is the soil. It says in ground only, but you can see how fine it is. It looks so great. We can plant this in a pot. So I'm going to test it. And if you are wondering what type of soil, so this is the Miracle-Gro Organic Choice. And it says garden soil. So it just says for in ground vegetables, fruit, flowers, and herbs. But we are testing this in a pot. And then it looks so fine. If you look at the soil, it looks so fine. So we are going to use this. Actually, I like it. We are going to use this to plant Hungarian semi-hot stuffing, which is hot pepper or which is pepper. So we are going to use this to plant that. And also, if you want to see how I mix the soil with a gardening food before I use the soil for planting, you can watch that video. Shows you how I mix, and then make sure that there's no lumps in the soil. I make sure the soil is so fine before I plant it. So let's just start planting the pepper now. And I'm using a new pot also. This is potato grower, but you can use this to plant anything else. You don't have to use it only for potatoes. So I just thought of trying to see if this will work. So I think it's going to work well. And then also it has a little hose in which gives air. You can watch that video where I show you the container, what it looks like, how to make your own hose in there, because it already have one that have a hole in it already. So you just use your drill. You just use your drill to go in here and then make another hole for the drainage. So I show you in that video how to do that as well. And we are going to plant 2 peppers. So I have 2 of my soil ready. All right, so this is our Hungarian semi-hot stuffing pepper. Okay, it says it's Hungarian semi-hot pepper. The medium hot fruit ripens from yellow with green and finally to red. So it matures in 70 to 80 days. The care is best in fertile, well-drained soil kept evenly moist. Alright, so that is this. The same thing here, it just says it matures 70 to 80 days. Fruit size is 5.5 inches by 3.5 inches or 14 centimeters by 90 centimeters. And so that's what we are going to plant. And all you have to do, because I gave it water yesterday, so it's loose up, it's not dried. So we take this, and what we are going to do first is we are going to make a little hole in here that the pot will feed in, but it will be in the center. And then we remove one. We are going to put this in and then bring the soil and push it down so it will be stable at the center. Just use your 2 fingers like this and then push it down on it. And then once it's in the middle and then stable, we just cover it with soil. We can add more soil. Just add a little bit more soil to cover the sides. That's it. And then we just do the second one, the same thing. Just a little a little hole in the middle. And then we just remove this and put it right in the middle. Bring the soil, push it down, then push it down. Alright, and then we just move this here. And the next thing we will do is we'll just give it water. Just a little. Then we'll just give it water. Just give it water to start the growing process quickly. And then we'll give the next one water as well. Alright, so this is how you will grow a Hungarian semi-hot stuffing pepper. And if you want to know more about how to grow onions, how to grow corn, yam, Ghanaian collard greens or collard greens, watch those videos. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me. Also subscribe to this channel for more gardening with fun. Let me show you how to plant the next pepper. And where are you watching from? Also, what are you planting this year? Have you thought of what you can plant in a container? Vegetables, herbs? Start with just 2 containers. It's easy and you will love it. And I'll see you on the next planting. I hope you have fun as you start.